I'm happy to introduce our new compact product that's launching in Q1 2027. This is our 301 compact radius, smallest excavator that we are adding into our product portfolio.
If you're a construction pro, be sure to sign up for our daily newsletter to get the latest updates in the industry.
This is a CAT engineered, designed and built machine. It has a C1.1 CAT engine, which can go to a 15.7 horsepower or 12 kilowatts. The seat is lifting up to reach the engine compartment, which gives an easy access for engine service. What you can see here on this machine is basically we did some improvements to its predecessor. We have now joystick mounted pilot controls. We are looking at a comfortable operator station, so we have adjustable armrests and also reclining seats and also moving backwards and forwards. We are intentionally looking at a very simplified gauge on this machine. So for customers who are in the rental business, this is going to be just giving the enough information they need, such as fuel levels, oil temperature, and also machine hours. It's got two-way speed, so the speed can go up to 2.2 miles an hour. And our customers have been asking us to have a machine that is narrow enough to go through tight spaces such as a gate, even an elevator to reach some interior job sites. To be able to do that, the undercarriage is actually retractable and expandable. When it's retracted, the width is about 29 inches wide, and if it's expanded, it can go up to 44 inches. We also have here our blade, where the blade can be also narrowed down by lifting this, and this one goes just right in. The aux flow control is going to be through the pedal, foot pedal, and we are having also the boom swing control from there, but this can also act as a footrest for operators who are looking at operation that is with steady flow. Moving towards through the boom and the stick, so the reach of this machine is going to be about 124 inches. Max depth is going to be 73 inches. As we're moving towards from a hydraulic flow perspective, we have first auxiliary line and second auxiliary line as a factory option. The end of the stick, what we have is a new pin puller coupler for this size machine. The pin puller coupler is a very easy solution. We just have to pull the cord and take the pin out, and then it's basically one pin in and out. And you can see here our new addition to our CAT attachment range, an A13 auger, which is a 13 Newton meter. This is designed to be 30% lighter, but with extra torque and power up to 30% increase. So we are really looking at offering to customers lighter attachments for better stability, with the undercarriage that we are offering on expandable and retractable, fitting into narrow job sites. This is going to be a great machine. From a weight standpoint, this weighs just about 2,900 pounds or 1,250 kilograms. So it's really easy to transport, going from one job site to another. This brings our excavator DNA to its smallest footprint, helping customers work efficiently and confidently at their confined and tight job sites.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.